Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be explaining you the last level problem. Before starting the problem I would like to say that I've not uploaded video from past 25 days because I had been to hometown, so yeah, because of that I was not able to upload. So from now on I'll be continuing this series. So yeah, let's read out the problem. Chef is playing a video game and is getting close to the end. He decides to finish the rest of the game in a single session. Okay, there are X levels remaining in the game, and each level takes Y minutes to complete. Okay, to protect against eye strain, Chef also decides that every time he completes 3 levels, he will take a Z minute break from playing. Note that there is no need to take this break if the game has been completed. Got it? Okay, so yeah, how much time in minutes will it take Chef to complete the game? Yeah, it's easy only. Don't worry, I'll be explaining on the board. So first, let's take the first line of input will contain a single integer t, denoting the number of test cases. So let's take t, and for every test case we'll call a function solve. So its return type is integer, it has no parameter. So the first and only line of input will contain 3 space separated integers x, y, z. So x, y, z. So it contains 3 integers x, y, z. X is basically the number of levels remaining. Y is basically to complete one level Chef requires 5 minutes of time, as Z is basically after 3 levels he'll have to take Z minute of rest. So yeah, let's go down and understand some of the examples. They've given 4 test cases. In first test case, um, 2, 12, 10 is XYZ value respectively. So let me take you to the board. 2, 12 and 10. X is 2, Y is 12, Z is 10. What it is saying is that it has a remaining of 2 levels. Let's say our chef is here, so he's playing a game. So now he has to complete 2 levels. Okay, let's name it level 1 and level 2. He has to complete these two. So in order to complete this, he requires y minutes of time, and here also requires y minute of time. So once he completes it, like he will not be taking rest. Basically in this case, if you see, this is one level and this is 2 level he'll be completing. So if there are any other levels in the coming example I'll be showing, don't worry. So in this example there is no use case of that, but yeah, that's fine, I'll be explaining on the second example. So in this case, if you see, first time y is basically 2, so 2y time is basically taken by chef to complete the level, remaining 2 levels. So in this case our answer would be 2 into y2 because x, so this can be written as x into y. So 2 into 12, which is 24, so 24 is the answer. Remaining time, this is 24. So let's try to see if it is correct or not. Yeah, 24 is correct. Let's try to take one more example. 3, 12, 10. Yeah, let's understand on this. Now it is interesting. So chef has got 3 levels to complete. This is level, there are 3 remaining levels, and now he will be requiring one more y minutes of time to complete this. But once he completes this, now he needs to take a rest, but here he will not be taking rest because the games are ended, because level 1, 2, 3, so it was only 3 levels remaining. So he has completed. Now once he completed, he will not be taking rest basically. So in this case, if you see, x is our 3 and its answer is 36, right? So yeah, 36 is the answer. Let's try this one now. Third case, 728. So here what it is saying, he has got 7 levels to complete. So let's say chef is standing here. He has got 7 levels to complete right now. So this is level 1, let's say. This is level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 levels are remaining. Okay. So once you come here, the time required will be y minutes. Now he'll be again going to second level. Again here time required will be y minutes. He'll going to the again another level. Time required will be y minutes. Now since he have completed 3 levels, to make sure his eye gets not strained, so he'll be taking rest here of z minutes, right? He'll be taking z minutes of rest. Okay. So again after taking z minute rest, he'll be moving to other level. This will take y minutes of time. Again he'll be moving to other level. This will take again y minutes of time. Now again he'll be moving. So 3 levels have completed now, right? 1, 2, 3. So again he'll be taking z minutes of rest. Z minutes of rest again he will take. Now again he'll move to last level, and yeah, the game ends. So this will be taken by y time. So if you count how many basically what is the time taken by it, so it will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 wise. So if you try to understand, so in order to complete all the levels and it requires y time, so answer definitely will be x into y. This is the answer will be, but again we'll have to check, we'll have to add the after each 3 level we'll have to add the z minutes. So in order to find that, in this case what I'll be doing is basically we'll have to take 7 divided by 3. Why 7? 7 is number of levels. Why 3? After 3 levels he'll be taking rest. They've given in the question. This answer will be 2. So yeah, you have got right. So 2 times he'll be taking rest, and how many minutes he's taking rest? He's taking z minutes of rest. So if you add here, that will be basically x by 3 plus into z, because z minutes of rest is taking. Okay, yeah, that's fine. But let's say in this example, yeah, for this case, if you try to analyze, our answer will be 7 into 20 is 140 plus x by 3 is 2, 2 into z, z is 8, 2 into 8 is 16, and this is 156. So let's try to understand, see if it is correct or not. Yeah, 156 is correct. So in this example I'll try to do a bit change. So let's say level is 9 right now. So this is 8 and this is 9. Here it is looking. So now what he'll do is he'll move again, let's say y distance. I mean he'll complete this level 8 and he'll require y time. Again now he'll complete this level and he requires y time. So if you try to go with this formula, now see, it will be x into y. X is basically in this case 9 and y is 20, plus x is 9 by 3 is 3 into z is basically 8. So what your answer will be is 9 into 20 is 180 plus 8 3s are 24. It will be 204 answer. But if you try to see, it is not 204, because he'll be taking only 2 times of rest, because the third time whatever is there, so the game will be ending, so he'll not be taking rest. So how do we, this is correct formula, but we'll have to somehow remove one z. When do we remove z? When there is number of levels are multiple of 3, right? 9 is multiple of 3. So in that case the last level, after that he'll be taking rest, that is not required. So we'll have to after this formula we'll have to check if x modulo 3 equals to 0, which means it is perfectly divisible. If it is divisible, so we'll have to subtract our answer by z, because last minute whatever rest we are taking, that is not valid, so we'll have to subtract it. So I think you guys got to know how to solve this. So yeah, let me try to code it up here. Before that, let me put here, okay. So what I was doing, basically our answer will be, answer is equal to x star y plus x divided by 3 into z, and whenever x is a multiple of 3, right, we'll have to subtract our answer by z, because last rest whatever is taking, that is not valid, so we'll have to remove it, and at the end we'll have to basically, yeah, output the answer. So 24, 36, 156, 1185, which is correct. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So basically it was easy only. So you had to understand uh, like how to derive this formula, and how to deal with the edge case wherein the number of levels are multiple of 3. At that time the last level, after doing, I mean completing the last level, in this formula he was taking rest, but it is not valid, so we'll have to subtract the answer. I think from the explanation you guys got to know how to solve this, but if you try to, like, if you did not understand anything, you guys can comment me and I'll try to help you out. So yeah, with this I'll be wrapping up the video, and if you try to see here, both space and time complexity is constant, so which is good. Some of people will solve this problem in linear time. Basically they'll use for loop in order to iterate each level through one step, and whenever it is 3 levels, so they'll be adding z minutes. So yeah, that is linear, but this is constant and it is more optimal. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.